In this tutorial, you're going to find how you can turn your bathtub from this to this using Rustoleum's tile and tub kit. You can find it on Amazon for just $25. So this is our bathtub before. As you can see, the caulking is really moldy. We've redone it 3 times in the last couple of years, but it just continues to mold up like this. As you can tell, our tub is very old. It's probably about somewhere between 50 to 60 years old, and so we definitely needed a change. We needed to get all this grime and gunk off, but we tried everything before this. When I found the Rustoleum tile and tub kit, I kind of thought it was too good to be true, but I was hoping that we could kind of figure this out because clearly it was pretty bad and we really needed something, and a new tub was kind of out of budget. Hey guys, I am working on the bathroom right now, and so I thought I would show you guys what has happened so far. So I took off all the caulking and I literally scraped like everything that was left over. And then after I did that, I went through and I did bleach. And so now I'm doing Lime Away on the bathtub to kind of clean it up and everything. And then the next part of the process is to basically start painting it. So I'm ready. Let's look. So here's what it looks like. So even up here, I know you can't tell, but I had to like cut away at the wall because it was like overlapping. I just don't even understand what's happening. So cross that bridge at the end, but here it is. So after I removed all of the old caulking, the next step was actually to sand it before I taped it off. And then I taped off the entire bathtub like this, and I got ready to paint. I would definitely wear a mask and goggles and have great ventilation for this part of the process. Your first coat will definitely look runny and very unfinished. Don't panic, this is normal and it's exactly how mine turned out the first coat. Make sure to wait 1 hour between and do your second coat. And a third if it still looks splotchy. I only did 2 coats and it seemed to work well for our tub, but if you have a colored tub, you definitely are gonna need 3. This is the next morning after most of it had dried. You can tell it dried really even, and it also, the air bubbles kind of are self-leveling. The next part of the process is to re-caulk the existing bathtub. So I used this, you can find this at Home Depot for a few dollars. Our new bathtub turned out amazing and we saved thousands of dollars. I cannot recommend this product enough. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure to check out all the information on my blog at uniquelytailormade.com.